Welcome back to a new video today. Today I'm doing a room tour, but also a day in the life in my shop week, which is my carpentry that I do at school because I go to a vocational. Now, if you hear my family, please don't bother. They're loud. We're Hispanic, so that's just what we gotta deal with. But I was thinking, I was like, what can I add to the shop week, a day in the life? Because in my academic one, you see my night routine and how I get ready. So I was like, what do I add? And I was like, oh, I could do a room tour. So that's exactly what I want to do. So let me grab you. We're gonna start with a room tour. Over here we have the piano. We have our schoolwork over here and a skateboard. I do want to learn how to do it, but I've never had the time to skateboard. And this is the safety. This is my ring light that we use that gives me the good lighting. And up here we have a shoe picture because I like shoes and fashion. And this sand, actually my cousin gave it to me for a gift, and I've always kept it from her. And this book I highly recommend. It's a very good book. It's actually pretty, like you learn a lot, and it's about depression and everything, but it's not that bad. I have family photos of me and a fake plant, and we have my other toys over there. Now, if we move on to right here, the side of my room, which you probably don't see in my videos, we have my Oculus in the case. We have a bunch of clothes, my Stanley, and we have a light up figurine that lights up, and it says my name right here. It lights up and it says my name. And we have projects that I have made in carpentry. We have my Lego figure that he actually comes off like a normal Lego figure, his head and everything. And because my family's competitive, I made an Uno case for all of our Uno cards. This is my phone holder that I made freshman year, and it works. I don't use it at all though, but it works. And this I made for Valentine's Day, which I think is really pretty and very nice. And you can't forget about the paintings. And speaking of paintings, let's move on to over here, where you have some of my paintings, not all of them. I'll show you the rest. Out of this 6, this one and the Squidward one are my 2 favorites. This is third, right there. But these 2 are my 2 favorites. That one was a gift, and those I made when I was very young. So there's room for improvement. But up here is some of my newer stuff. We have a hand, this cow print design that I made because I was bored, another hand, a please stand by, a man that is losing his creativity, and a bonsai tree. Now, if we move on to our walls, I was collecting stickers for a long time, and I was like, what do I do with it? So I decided to actually put it in a picture frame, and I think it looks really good. And also I did one for my family, so now they're right next to each other, and I think it looks well in my room. And also we have Teddy, the one and only Teddy, and Bamsy. Now Teddy I've had since I was literally a baby, and he's still with me to this day. He's my ride or die. And Bamsy I got a few years ago, I think at 5 and below, because I was really bored. And if you look at my wall, it's actually a chalk wall. So if I get my markers up here, you can draw on it. And I've drawn many things. My friends come here, and I've drawn and wait, what's that right there? Subscribe. I think you guys should probably click the subscribe button and like and subscribe because the wall told you to. And honestly, I think you should do it. Now over here we have me, hello, and we have my Apple Watch, all the stuff for my games like my PS5 and my Switch. We have my remotes, my amiibos, and in these drawers, we just have like a bunch of random things. I forget what be in here. And let's go to my other drawers around here. I have, up there's my skincare, and there is like my back scratcher and books that I read. These are just a bunch of games, Pokemon cards that I haven't used for forever. And these are like my manga books that I have that I be reading, and my DS. And here we have the Bible, pictures of me, light bulb. It's a junk drawer basically. And in here we have a bunch of bags and random binders and stuff. We don't really go in there. Now, let's see what's on top. So this is my that's a picture that my mom put up because she thought I'd like it, which I do. It looks nice. Very different things. We have puzzles that have finished. We have Legos that have built. And this water thing, I don't know if I have batteries in it right now, but it actually turns on. So let's see. Oh nah. Okay, but usually it spits water out. Then we have like some of my skincare and like everyday stuff that I use. Then we have gay pool and these two my friends. Actually, all my friends gave me one. This is from Azure. These are from Tanya. And now, speaking of gay, now the closet. Ooh. Which I would not want to be back in there. We have my school bag, but I have two. These are my pants, my jackets, and back there are all my hoodies. And then up here, I just have a bunch of random stuff like my hangers, my art supplies, school stuff, slime, and a case for my Oculus. I also have a mini Mortal Kombat thing down there. And if we go down, you see all my shoes. And back there, I think it's a bunch of art and paper and more paintings that I've done. And in this little corner, I have crochet stuff because I've wanted to crochet for a long time, but I've never gotten like good at it. So I kind of gave up. But this is an art suitcase, Legos. I'm praying that I go back to crocheting. But other than that, clothes in here, clothes in there. That's pretty much my room. So let's go on, and I'll probably cut to me being at shop. Okay, so right here we're walking into string class, and if you don't know what that is, it's basically a class that teaches us about life, how to finance, how to use Google Doc, how to budget, and basically prepares us for what we have in the future, like life and financial stuff, and how to make resumes and a bunch of different things.
Hey y'all, so we're walking to
Yara's doing another vlog for me.
yeah, we're walking to shop. We just came from Strand. As you can see, I don't have my lashes on, but wow, I did not see them. I did not see them. There's Tanya, there's Josiah. Okay, bye chat.
Guys, Twin isn't here. Who's Twin, guys?
Nyla?
Yeah, she's not here.
Yeah, she's not here.
Sad to miss out when we have a vlog.
sad, but
Why?
because she's not here.
Oh yeah, me too.
But yeah.
Oh.
This is so
Welcome to Carpentry. Okay, come with us. Mama knows our friend and I love. We're giving you a tour of our shop. As you can see, we got some chicken coop. Follow us. We're working on some chicken coop. Bring it up.
Our teacher, Mr. T. We have the tool crib. Where all the tools be at. Yep.
All the tools.
We got our cleaning area. Clean up.
Come on.
I've just seen the chair.
Okay.
Another chicken coop. This is Nick, Collins, and Tim. And Anthony.
Follow us around. We'll give you a whole tour. This is our very big shop that we work in.
Very big.
We got our dance hall. We got a label everything.
This is Emma's, Tiara's, Tanya's,
Tanya's right here.
Yep.
And over here we have all the teaching stuff.
Yep.
Now follow us as we show you our whole shop. We got our sanders over here. All different
Many
types of
different
sanders,
ones.
everything.
Yep. Now we do it eat.
Over here we have the CNC. And we have our other machinery.
We have the Uncanny Valley teacher.
Follow us as we go through. The other Joe's, Vince, and Jacob's chicken coop.
Right here on your left is our chicken coop.
Let's actually give you a house tour.
Right.
Let's go. So if you walk in with us,
If you walk in, the first thing you're
walk
gonna see
in,
is the roof.
us.
And then the windows right here.
The windows, the walls.
And that's it.
Okay, now let's go through to our next big project, which is
The
our
playhouse.
dollhouse. We are working for a little girl.
Very nice thickness. So she's getting this.
This is our dollhouse. Now let's
Playhouse.
actually show her outside.
Yeah, let's go. The senior.
You're looking pretty big in this video.
Let's show you the
Let's go see it. Bro, my arm's hurting. Bro, I'm not recording these seniors.
Go show the senior project.
Bro, what the fuck?
We're working on a big house, and this is our whole outside of the shop. We own that right there. Our shop owns the football field actually, because we're just that good. At Carpentry, we have all different types of saws. We have the chop saw, and I think one of the best ones are the table saw. Don't mind all the tables. Beautiful table saw. Elegant.
Dirty, dusty.
Dirty. Exactly, cameraman. You're fired.
Always feed your cameraman. No.
And that's our shop.
And then
Oh,
have
we
a
got
bunch
the
of bots.
boys. We have all the bots.
Wanna be game bangers.
Well,
Well, that's the end of the video.
that's the end of the video. Thank you so much. This is our shop tour. Moving on to the next video.
Only Josiah got it. Bye.
Yep.
Peace out.
Yeah. Another one.
Guys, wait.
Yeah.
And another one, thank you.
Yeah. Oh, you dropped it. Very productive.
Why are you running?
I'm not running. I'm defending myself.
Why are you running? Turn around.
Come on, man.
Turn around.
I'm like, yo, you know how many yo? Watch out, cuz.
Turn around.
Come on. Yo, I'm gonna get my son on you. Yo!
Hi guys, this is Nyla. I'm also a YouTuber. You can subscribe to my channel and then subscribe to his channel too. Oh my god,
Hi guys. Yo, he said I can't wear my Converse with my dress, oh baby. That's just me.
oh no, this is all on video. Y'all are done for the rest of your life. Show us every single college you go to.
How about the bottom part? It's the stop. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. She's stressed, so I had to pick her up. But I hope you enjoyed the video of seeing my room and seeing me at shop. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I can't wait to see you on the next one. Bye!